We are back again rating the best footballers. Neymar, I'll give him third. Let us see. Harry Kane, I think he's a very good finisher. One of the best strikers an English football has ever had. Of course, Alan Shearer is the best, but then I'll give it to him. Why are there no South African players? And who? Oh, the GOAT. But then I'm reserving the space for Eden Hazard or Ronaldo, so I'm going to give you second. Bruno Fernandes, of course, I'm going to give you 9. Anthony, how can I skip? Can I skip? No, I can't skip. I would have given him number 50, so I'm going to give him 8 since I can't skip. Let us see. Son, I think Son is better than all 3 of them, just not above Harry Kane, so I'm going to give him a 7. Gavi, I would have given number 30 or 40. The list was up to 50. So I will have to go give him 6, just in case. Why isn't Eden Hazard not showing up? Haaland, I have no choice, Haaland, to give you 4. I'm just hoping that is Eden Hazard or Ronaldo is going to pop up, but then Messi is one of the greatest players. I think his left foot is the best ever, so I'd give him